Come back. Now we will solve question 2 from exercise 8.2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. Okay, these are just simple, easy questions. First question is 2 tan 30 degree, 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, so option chart they've given us 4 options. So from the 4 options, which one is the correct one? No? Okay, so we just solve. So okay, this is equals to 2 into tan 30 degree. Remember, what is the value of tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3, right? Okay, so 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 30 degree square. So 1 by root 3 square. So this is 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. So this will give us 2 by root 3 here. If you take LCM, it will be 3 plus 1 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Over na. So this is 2. Okay, so 3 by 2 by root 3. Okay, so I think we still have to rationalize the kodibi. So 3 by 2 root 3 into root 3 root 3. So this is 3 root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 root 3 root 3. So okay, so we're left with root 3 by 2, and the option that they've given us are A sine 60 degree, B cos 60 degree, C tan 60 degree, and D sine 60 degree. So itu charta to kun wala root 3 by 2. Remember? So the option is sine 60 degree. If you remember, is root 3 by 2. Therefore, answer is A sine 60 degree. Okay, this is how we solve this second part of the question. Okay, so now we continue solving the second one. 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Okay, this should be very simple. Because, and then the option that they've given is A tan 90 degree, B 1, C sine 45 degree, and D 0. Okay, let's solve. So the answer for this will be 1 minus tan 45 degree. Remember, it's 1, so this is 1. So we're getting 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is 0. Okay, so we are getting the answer as 0. So the option should be D, right? The option for our answer should be D. Okay, so the answer is D. This is the answer. Oh yeah, these are so easy questions. 3 sine 2a equals to 2 sine a is true when a equals to option A. They have given the option as 0 degree, B 30 degree, C 45 degree, D 60 degree. So the question is, this value sine 2a equals to 2 sine a is true. What will be the value of A when for this to make sense, right? Okay, so this there is a formula in class 11 which is sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a cos a. You can solve it by this, but I think it'll make things a little complicated. So what we'll do is we just do it directly. We just have to say for which value of a this is true. So we can write left hand side sine 2a, and right hand side as 2 sine a. Okay, just assuming that a is 0. Okay, sine 2 into 0. Okay, so sine 2 into 0 will be equals to sine 0. So this will be 0. Here 2 sine a will be 2 into sine 0. So this is 2 into 0, that is 0. See? So when the value of a is 0, we get the left hand side equals to right hand side. Therefore, answer is a, that is 0 degree. I think this will be a better way to solve this. Okay, question 4. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree equals to. Options are A, cos 60 degree, B, sin 60 degree, C, tan 60 degree, and D, sin 60 degree. Okay, so we just solved this. 2 into tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. So this will give us 2 by root 3 here divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3, 3 minus 1 by 3. If we take the LCM here, this is 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. Right? Okay, so you can cancel the 2 and 2. You get 3 root 3. If you rationalize, root 3, root 3. So 3 root 3 by 3. Cancel. Answer is root 3. Okay, so answer is root 3. Which one of this is root 3? That is the question. Correct? So if you remember, root 3 is tan 60 degree. So answer is option C. That is the answer. So this is how you solve the questions from exercise 8.2 under sub question 2. In the next video, we'll solve the answers for questions 3 and 4.